Good morning, this is Boone, aka Zeb Lion. As you all know, I just got the Espada XL. I just have a question. Does any of your guys do this with the upgraded brand? You hear that? I'm holding the blade and everything. I've never heard a cold steel knife do that, so it's got me worried. I mean, as you all know, this isn't a cheap knife, but when you open it, see, it's open, no rattle, and then once it's opened, gotta be careful, it's sharp. See, and there it is again. So if anybody else does that, please respond and let me know. Alright, thanks. Bye.